Oh, hey, didn't notice you come in there. I was just looking under here because I forgot what was under it. Been working on the bodywork so long, guy forgot. You know what I'm talking about. But guess what? The bodywork's all done. We're going to get in the real meat and veg of this project, and we're going to start tuning this motor up so we can get it back in the car and start hooking the pss-pss and the whoosh-whoosh up to it. That's what you guys been waiting for, right? We're getting really back on the road to boost. Get this Miata turboed and start having some fun. So I hope you stay tuned and have as much fun as we're having, because we're having a lot. First things first, we're going to get the motor all unwrapped here. We're going to get the accessories off of it. We're going to start cleaning it up because we want it to look as pretty as that engine bay. You know what I'm talking about. I know what you're saying. It looks pretty bad. Well, if you remember, there was an oil leak back here that was slinging oil all over the place. We're going to remedy that, though. Got all the accessories off. We got the brackets off, the alternator off, that stupid manifold bracket that no one ever uses off, and it looks really bad. I mean, the last owner, he didn't really take care of it that well. Not gonna name any names, but you know who I'm talking about. So next we're gonna move on to the old intake manifold and start getting that off. We got the intake off. Check it out. It's only got, you know, a little dirt on it. So next we're gonna try and get all these studs out and clean her up. Well, actually, we're not cleaning it up, are we? Because we gotta take some more stuff off. Psych. stuff's pretty strong. You take a deep breath of it. That's hot tip. Don't breathe in degreaser. You can make it. We're gonna take a break and do a little racing. Anyway, got the block all cleaned up, got all the area, all the crud off. I'm gonna remove the front accessories here and prep it to give it a full rebuild. You know, full. You know. Now we're gonna mask the block off and shoot some enamel. We're gonna finish up today painting the block, letting it dry over the week to get ready to get all those parts we just took off, put on, put new ones. So join us next time. If you liked what you're seeing, like, comment, subscribe.
Did you do this? Tell us now. We need to know.